100 कोटी रुपयांच्या निधीतून विकसित सोलापूर विद्यापीठ घडणार. कुलगुरू महानवर. पंतप्रधान श्री नरेंद्र मोदी यांच्या संकल्पनेतून ज्याप्रमाणे विकसित भारत होत आहे, त्याचप्रमाणे प्रधानमंत्री उच्च शिक्षा अभियानातून मंजूर झालेल्या 100 कोटी रुपयांच्या निधीतून दर्जेदार उच्च शिक्षण, संशोधन तसेच पायाभूत सुविधा उपलब्ध करून देऊन विकसित पुण्यश्लोक अहिल्यादेवी होळकर सोलापूर विद्यापीठ घडविणार असल्याचा संकल्प कुलगुरू प्राध्यापक प्रकाश महानवर यांनी व्यक्त केला. मंगळवारी जम्मू येथून नरेंद्र मोदी यांनी प्रधानमंत्री उच्च शिक्षण अभियानाचा शुभारंभ केला. त्याचे थेट प्रक्षेपण पुण्यश्लोक अहिल्यादेवी होळकर सोलापूर विद्यापीठाच्या मुख्य सभागृहात दाखवण्यात आले. या प्रसंगी कुलगुरू प्राध्यापक प्रकाश महानवर हे बोलत होते.
I see myself as a privileged person, lucky person, because I am the one who could get highest amount of money from PM Usha, that is 1.2 crore, 1.26 crore. It's for two different universities. One is from my own university, and second is SRTM, Nanded. But on the other hand, the big responsibility has to be shouldered, and one good thing that I have the opportunity to fulfill my vision, which I predicted at the time of my interactions with Honorable Governor. I predicted myself my vision when I took over as the Vice Chancellor on 16th of October 2023, and I hope I will be able to get my dreams true in reality. Many times for development, without money you cannot do anything. But along with money, there is still scarcity of manpower, teachers and non-teaching staff. I assure you that I will try to get this additional component of manpower also in a short period of time, and that will help. That will be definitely help us to reach to Meru, under which we got the funding from PM Usha. So the title itself is very clear. Multidisciplinary Education and Research University, that is Meru, and that is what the dream which I dreamt about 6 months before, and now time has come that to work in that direction. I should thank to the people who thought of applying for this. Many universities, they didn't dare to apply. Of course, there were many universities who applied. Out of those, almost 144 universities have been rejected their proposals right at the first stage. Second stage, there was screening. Again, 20 universities were removed. And third stage, where I was involved in that. Before that, whatever first two stages which are completed by our then Vice Chancellor, Professor Kamath, and remaining last one, that I happen to be a person to handle this.
या प्रसंगी प्रभारी कुलगुरू प्राचार्य लक्ष्मीकांत दामा, कुलसचिव योगिनी घारे, राज्यपाल नियुक्त व्यवस्थापन परिषदेचे सदस्य प्राध्यापक देवानंद चिलवंत, राजाभाऊ सर्वदे, प्राध्यापक सचिन गायकवाड, चन्नवीर बंकुर, महेश माने, मोहन डांगरे, दादा साळुंके, डॉक्टर गौतम कांबळे, डॉक्टर विकास पाटील यांच्यासह पदाधिकारी, शिक्षक, विद्यार्थी, अधिकारी व कर्मचारी उपस्थित होते.